Are you in search of a platform that allows you to develop your strategies, conduct backtesting in real market conditions, and automate your options trading? If yes, then here is the strategy builder, which requires no coding skill. Both beginners and advanced traders can use it. Please note, for now this platform supports NIFTY, BANKNIFTY and FINNIFTY and trade execution in trading accounts like Zerodha, Fyers and Angel One. Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to use Strategy Builder and backtest it in a live market. First, log in into Stockyfly. Click on Strategy Builder from the dashboard. It will open the Strategy Builder page. First, click on Select Index option. You can select NIFTY or BANKNIFTY or FINNIFTY. Next, select time frame from the option 5-minute or 15-minute. In the next step, we need to create buy and sell conditions. In live market, when buy condition is met, the program will take CE trade. When sell condition met, PE side trade will be taken. Parameters contain values like CMP, EMA 20-50 SAR 100-200, MACD line, signal line, histogram, market and momentum. The second option is condition, which have values crossing up, greater than and IS. For example, you can set conditions like when CMP crossing up EMA 20. Click on Add More Condition button to add more condition to your buying condition. Let's take an example. When CMP is crossing up EMA 20 and EMA 20 is greater than EMA 50 and EMA 50 is greater than EMA 100 and MA 100 is greater than MA 200 and market is trendy and momentum is strong. Remember, market is trendy means ADX is greater than or equal to 25. In the similar way, we can set the sell condition once both buying and selling conditions are ready. Now you need to enter stop loss points, target points and lot size for every trade. Always try to keep good risk-reward ratio so that reward should be always greater. Finally, click on Save Strategy button and now your strategy is saved. Now in live market, system will start taking trades automatically when your buying or selling conditions match. You can pause any of your strategies by clicking on Pause button. You can pause or start all your strategies at once by clicking on Pause All or Start All buttons. AVL Bail at the top. Click on Report option available under every strategy, which will gives you detail of trades taken, and you can easily find out your strategy is working for you or not. If you are happy with the outcome of your strategy, can link your live trading account so that trades will get executed in your Demat account in real time. Remember, if you have multiple strategy running, then system will run one trade at a time. Once the running trade is closed in, then only system will take next trade. By backtesting your strategies in live market, you can evaluate the overall outcome of your strategy and can finally use it for your real trading account. All trades will get automatically executed in your account, like Zerodha, Fyers or Angel One. To link your live account with our algo platform, or to use inbuilt strategy, or to understand more about this strategy builder, feel free to reach us. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.